This is LeetCode question number 509, Fibonacci numbers. This is easy question. Let's get into it. The Fibonacci numbers commonly denote Fn from former sequence called the Fibonacci sequence, such that each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, starting from 0 and 1. That is, f0 equal 0, f1 equal 1, fn equal fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2, for n is greater than 1. Given n, calculate f1. Let's check with example 1. Input 2, output 1. Explanation: f2 is preceding 2, f1 and f0. f0 is 0, f1 is 1, so return 1. Let's check 3. Input 4, output 3. Explanation: f4 equal f3 plus f2. f3 is 2 and f2 is 1, so return 3. How we can solve it? Okay, let's check with the proposed solution. Proposed solution, I'm gonna use recursion. Recursion is very simple. Just return fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. But problem is time complexity. Time complexity must be 2 power n. So it's very slow. So next step, we can use memoization. But memoization use space complexity is n. So if we make a better solution, we can use dp. If we use dp, we can reduce space complexity is 1 because we no need to store all of the return value from f0 to fn. Just we remember 3 things: fn and f minus 1 and f minus 2. I'm gonna use dp, and then finally additionally I will show you how to make it time complex is constant and space complex also constant. Okay. We need the 3 variables. 1 is 0 and 2 is 1. And 4 are in range from 2 because we have 1, 2 and 2 n plus 1 because if we getting data till n, we need to write n plus 1 because this one is below, this one is less than n, not less n equal n. So 3 is 1 plus 2, and I updated 1 and 2. 1 updated with 2 for next iteration, and 2 also updated 3 for next iteration, and then I will return 2. But there is only one edge case. If we return, if the n is 1, it must be return 1, but it still return 2. So if n is 0, and I will return 0. Let's check the code. Okay, looks good. Okay, good. Now I will show you how we can make the better static time complexity and static space. The approach we use math. Fortunately, there are equation to get Fibonacci number directly. That is golden ratio is 1 plus 5 root of 5 divided 2. So if we use golden ratio, we can get Fibonacci number directly. Okay, I will show you how to do it. Golden ratio is 1. This one, and return to change it to integer ratio multiply m plus 1 divide 5, and final value use root. Fix the typo. Okay, let's sum it. Golden ratio is 1 plus 5 is 2. Interesting. I forgot this one. Okay. Okay. Now our approach is constant time with constant space because we use equation. Thank you.